Ever wondered what it feels like to conquer the world's most epic hiking trails? Adventure isn't just an action, it's a state of mind, a thirst for the unknown. Picture this: the thrill of the climb, the beauty of untouched nature, the grueling challenge that pushes you to your limits, and that sweet, unmatched satisfaction when you reach the top, knowing you've conquered not just a mountain, but also a piece of yourself. Today, we embark on a journey through these trails, right from the comfort of your home. Imagine standing at the edge of the Grand Canyon, ready to embark on a rim-to-rim hike. As you descend from the North Rim, the world around you transforms. Majestic walls of stone, etched by time, guide you into a world that feels ancient yet alive. Your path leads you to Phantom Ranch, an oasis nestled at the bottom of the canyon. Here, the Colorado River, a powerful sculptor of this grand landscape, roars with an intensity that invigorates your spirit. You continue, each step a testament to your determination. The Bright Angel Trail awaits, a steep ascent that tests your physical and mental fortitude. But as you climb, the grandeur of the canyon unfurls before you, a panorama of awe-inspiring beauty. The journey from rim to rim is a strenuous one, filled with challenges that demand respect for this natural wonder. Conquering the Grand Canyon is no small feat, but the breathtaking views are worth every step. Next, we journey to the heart of the Andes, to the ancient Inca Trail leading to Machu Picchu. This is no ordinary hike, but a 4-day journey through a high-altitude mountain trail that weaves its way through the remnants of a civilization long gone. As we ascend, we pass through numerous Inca ruins, each one a silent testament to the ingenuity and resilience of the ancient Incas. We then venture into the cloud forests, a mystical world where the trees are shrouded in fog, and the air is filled with the songs of unseen birds. It is here that we truly feel the sense of awe and mystery that accompanies this hike. The culmination of our journey is the moment we set our eyes on Machu Picchu. After the grueling hike, the sight of these ancient ruins perched high in the mountains is nothing short of breathtaking. Reaching Machu Picchu after this grueling hike is a moment you'll treasure forever. And finally, we ascend to the roof of the world, to the Everest Base Camp Trek. Beginning in the bustling town of Lukla, the gateway to the Himalayas, we embark on a journey that leads us through a tapestry of Sherpa villages, each with its own unique charm and character. As we move higher, we witness the spiritual side of this magnificent region, dotted with ancient monasteries, where the echo of chanting monks permeates the thin, crisp air. Each step on this trek is a step into a world steeped in rich culture and breathtaking beauty. Our journey culminates in the climb up the Kala Pathar, a vantage point that offers an unobstructed view of the mighty Mount Everest. It's a sight that is both humbling and awe-inspiring, a stark reminder of nature's grandeur and our place within it. But the Everest Base Camp Trek isn't just about the views. It's about braving extreme weather conditions, from biting winds to bone-chilling temperatures. It's about pushing the boundaries of human endurance, about testing the limits of our physical and mental strength. Standing at the base of the world's highest mountain, you're overwhelmed by a sense of achievement and a profound respect for the mountain and its guardians, the Sherpas. This trek is a testament to human endurance and the allure of adventure. These trails demonstrate the power of adventure and the beauty of our planet. They serve as a reminder that there is an entire world out there waiting to be explored. Whether it's the Grand Canyon's breathtaking expanse, the mystical allure of Machu Picchu, or the towering majesty of Everest, each trail offers a unique journey that challenges and enriches us. But remember, embarking on these adventures requires more than just a thirst for thrill. It calls for a deep respect for nature and a dedication to preparation. Equip yourself not only with the necessary gear, but also with the right knowledge and mindset. Understand the terrain, respect local cultures, and always leave no trace. Whether you choose to conquer these trails or find your own path, let the spirit of adventure guide you. After all, it's not just about the destination, but the journey that truly matters. Join us again for more adventures. Don't forget to subscribe and embrace the call of the wild.